Under the pharmacy module, we have drug. Then under the drug, we have manufacturers, which is already open. Here, there is a list of some manufacturers already listed. You can add more using the Add button. Let's add Pfizer. Add. And then it will be on the last page. Pfizer. Next is the product class. The product class is a grouping of different types of medication. Now, some examples include anti-neoplastics, nutritional supplements, hormonal agents, just to mention a few. Let's add one. Let's add hormonal agents. And then save. The next is drug types. Drug types are different classifications of medications that share similar properties. Some examples include cytotoxics, electrolytes, hormonal and fertility drugs. Let's add one. We add hormonal and fertility drugs. For class, we select hormonal agents. For the sales account, we select pharmacy revenue. For inventory accounts, we select the inventories. And for cost sales, select pharmacy purchases. And then we add. The next is the drug listings. This is where you see the list of all the products you have, whether in stock or out of stock. To add a new product, click on the Add New button. For the code, HFD001. Name of the drug, Femara. Generic name, Letrozole. Description. Manufacturer. Let's select Pfizer. Class. Hormonal agent. Type. Hormonal and fertility drug. Active ingredient. Letrozole. Reorder level. Let's say 50. GL code. Pharmacy revenue. Form. Tablet. Then for the strength. 2.5 milligram. For the reorder level, 50. Then this one is for the administration route, how it will be administered. And this one is for the price. The price is $5,000. And then you can either make it active or leave it inactive to remain as draft. And then you save. This is how you add a new product to the system. For now, I'll cancel. When you click on any drug, you can edit, delete it, you can clone it, or you can view the activities on it. Now this activity is the record of prescription issued or stock received. You can also export it as Excel. The next is drug price listing. You can view and edit the prices of drugs here. You can see the price of a particular drug for each health insurance company that is on the system. You can use this button to edit the price list. Next is the drug pre-order list. This is where you see the reorder level of the drugs. When taking in the stock, you define the reorder level. This is where they will show up for you to know when to reorder any particular drug. Next, for the stock management, we have the stock receipt. A stock receipt is used when new drugs or medical supplies are received into the inventory. It serves as a formal record of transactions, ensuring accurate tracking and management of the pharmacy stock. You can use this button to add a new stock receipt. Here, you define the date, the reference number, and the person that it's being received from. Then with this button, you can add what you received. You can see different drugs here. Anyone you select, you can select the form, either tablets or syrup depending on the one it has. Select the strength. Select the expiring date of the drug, the quantity, and the unit cost. Then you save. I'll cancel this for now. Next is the approved stock receipts. This is where authorized personnel will review and approve incoming stock receipts, confirming the accuracy of the received items and the quantities. So if there are any pending receipts for approval, they will show up here. The next is Stock Receipt Inquiries. This section enables users to search for and view historical stock receipts information, including details about suppliers, items received, and the quantities. Then we also have the stock requisition. This section allows departments within the hospital to submit requests for drugs or supplies from the pharmacy. It can also be used to make requests for pharmacies in different locations of the clinic or hospital. Then we have the approved requisition. This is where authorized personnel can review and approve stock requisition requests, ensuring that the requested items are necessary and available. Next is Issue Requisition. This feature allows pharmacy staff to fulfill approved stock requisition requests by issuing the requested items to the requesting department. All the approved requisition will appear here, and the pharmacy staff will issue the request to the requesting department. And then finally, under the stock management, we have stock requisition inquiries. This allows users to search for and view historical stock requisition information, including details about requesting departments, items requested, and quantities. Next, under Prescription and Inventory Management, we have Issue Prescription. This enables physicians to prescribe medications to patients. Under the Issue Prescription, we have the item Endorsement and Pricing. This section allows the pharmacist to verify the prescribed medication and its dosage. The pharmacist will see all the prescriptions by the doctor and verify the prescription and the dosage. Next, under the Issue Prescription, we have Packaging and Dispensing. This guides the pharmacist through the process of preparing the medication for dispensing. It includes tasks such as selecting the correct packaging, labeling the medication accurately, and ensuring the dispensed quantity matches the prescribed amount. So if there is anyone that has been endorsed, they will show up here for packaging and dispensing. And finally, under the Issue Prescription, we have the Inquiries, which provides options for searching and viewing historical prescription information, including details about patients, prescribers, medications, and dispensing dates. Next is the Stock Adjustments. This feature allows pharmacy staff to adjust inventory levels manually, for example, to account for losses due to breakage or expiration. To do that, you can click on the plus button, select the dates, the reason for the adjustment, for example, expiration, and then the product you want to adjust. Let's say we have this product. You can select the details of the product, select the expiring date, and then the quantity. The next is Approve Stock Adjustments. After the stock has been adjusted, it will appear here for the authorized personnel to review and approve the adjustment request, ensuring that the adjustments are justified and accurate. And finally, we have Stock Adjustment Inquiries. This option allows users to search for and view historical stock adjustment information, including details about the reason for adjustment and the quantities involved.